na ganito yung sa ICC, we have withdrawn from the ICC, membership from the ICC, and that withdrawal is already in effect. Pero we have been very clear in our statements regarding this. If the ICC makes a move and courses the move through the Interpol, and the Interpol makes the request to us for the arrest or delivery of the custody of a person subject to ICC jurisdiction, we will respond favorably or positively to the Interpol request. Kasi nagbe-benefit din tayo sa Interpol in other cases. Hindi naman pwedeng sabihin na, oy, kumo ICC ang nag-request sa inyo to come to us, hindi na namin kayo papansinin. Kung tayo ang magre-request sa Interpol, hindi na rin tayo papansinin yan. Because that is committee, ang tawag doon eh. Committee. Pakikipagkaibigan, pakikipagmabuting, you know what that means, no?